They're just finicky. These new valves are great. You know, they sense the temperature when it gets. It's more precise. It's within 1/10 of a degree, and it'll turn on and turn off.
Right.
But they're so sensitive that if anything's off a little bit, they shut down. Either.
Oh.
You know, or they're just built badly.
Right.
But
right.
90% of my service calls are changing valves. Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah. They're good for my business, but
Well, that's good.
they're bad for.
Hey.
You have enough room? You want me to move the car in?
I'm fine. I don't need you to move for
Okay.
me. Yeah, I'm good right here. So. Okay, so we'll put this new one in.
Okay.
Oh.
Hope it will.
Oh yeah, we'll know right away if it doesn't work.
Yeah.
How often was it shutting off on you?
It was getting to where it was probably every other day.
Oh wow.
It was a lot. I mean,
Yeah.
I can't tell you how many times we turned it on.
Okay. And you never got any red flashing or anything? It'd just be off, right?
It'd just be off.
Yeah.
Well, I mean, we wouldn't know it until we took a shower or something.
Right. Yeah. Yeah, you don't know until
My
you
wife
need
was
water.
irritated because she do the wash and everything all day, and then
Oh, I just had to
there was no hot water.
Yeah. Yeah, that's how it was last time I came out. Well, wait, it's flashing red now.
Yeah, it's rising right now.
Yeah, what's it doing? 1, 2. Yeah, this is saying it's the. Oh well, I killed the gas to it.
Oh.
So. But it was flashing 2, which is the thermal pile.
Oh.
How many times have you replaced it already?
This is the second time
Oh, second.
he came here, yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. But 2 years ago, I replaced this and
Yeah,
I bought
yeah.
a new one
Yeah.
and put this one in. That one had the same kind of problem.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, I didn't even think I was going to be able to get it on because the last time it went out, and we couldn't get back on.
Yeah, that sounds like the valve or
Is
a
it
block
valve?
I figure
pilot
it goes out
tube.
again, it's done.
Yeah, that's
And
how
it's-
they go. They
Yeah.
they
And
start
the sad
going.
part of, you know, I mean, it's only 2 years old. You know?
Yeah, I know.
Do you need those or no?
Maybe I need to get in that business.
Gaskets? No.
No?
You might as well
Okay.
keep all
I
that.
know, I'll keep it.
Yeah, just keep all
Maybe
that.
I'm in the wrong business there.
Oh, yeah.
All right, I'll be right back.
Okay.
Let me get the tomato.
Okay, yeah. Yeah, I'm sorry for them, but then you know, I have to wait for them to send the kid, and then, you know, a couple of days they have problems to turn it on. And
No, hopefully you didn't have to pay for it.
I didn't have to pay for the part, but they for them, you know, it's not fair for them. I mean, I pay the rent and then can't have hot water, you know what I mean?
Yeah, no, I hear that a lot, believe it or not.
Yeah.
I hear that. I hear that all the time. So no, it's not right. Yeah. What
But
can you
then
do?
for the company, I mean, the company, they don't care. They don't cover your labors and the whole stuff like that either. They all
No.
just send you the unit.
That's right. That's right. That's all they do. They just send you parts and
Right.
and have you hire somebody to put it in.
Right, right.
Yeah, I know.
Don't need that part?
No, there's no reason to remove it.
Okay.
You could just keep it as a backup.
Yeah, I know. In case you need it, then don't have to get it, yeah.
Yeah, I'll put the new circuit board on. This is the circuit board.
Oh, okay.
I'll put this back on because it's new and it could be part of the problem.
Oh, okay.
And so we'll change that. And this is the
valve that you're talking
this is
about.
the actual valve. Yeah.
Okay.
So this is the valve. This is why they made the valves like this in 3 stages.
Mm-hmm.
So you wouldn't have to drain the tank and
Oh,
unscrew it and do a bunch of extra labor. It makes it faster.
mhm.
Good if I wore my glasses, probably.
You're over 40.
Yeah, I know. It was like on my 46th birthday.
I know. It's over 40, you need the goddamn glass.
I know. It kills you. So keep this.
Okay.
Yeah, as soon as I turned 46, I was
Yeah, I know.
complaining that they were making writing so much smaller than
Yeah,
they used
right.
to, and I couldn't really figure out why they would do that.
Yeah. It's not they, it's you.
No, I know, yeah, it wasn't them, it was me. So, and you should probably keep this too.
Okay.
Might as well. There's nothing wrong with it that we know of.
Oh, okay.
So keep that.
It's the valve have the problem. It's not the control. I thought it was the control.
Yeah, and it's got some, it's got like some oxidation and stuff on it, which is usually the sign of a valve that's been outside.
That's the valve you changed it last time.
Oh, was it? Okay. So, hopefully this takes care of it for you.
I hope so too.
I just came from a job. The job I just did was the valve. So,
The same Rheem?
No, it was a Bradford White. So it's the valves.
I thought with the thermocouple.
Well, hopefully it's not. You know, if it's flashing twice like that. Well, actually, you will get a thermocouple low voltage when the valve's bad. Not every time, but I've seen that a lot. So we'll see what happens when it comes up. I'll measure the voltage on it too.
Okay.
And see. We don't need a lot of this.
Yeah, just make sure they leak. That's all you
Oh,
need.
yeah, it won't leak. But yeah, I used to, when I first started fixing them, I used to get these low thermopile voltage. And I started measuring the thermopile voltage and it was fine. And so I changed the thermopile and I'd still get low thermopile voltage on the next one. I'd put another thermopile on there, low thermopile voltage. And I was just like, screw it, I'm just going to replace everything.
Yeah.
So I would replace the valve and then all of a sudden it would work. So now that's a big red flag.
Yeah.
So that's the bad one.
Okay.
Or whatever. And then that's the first thing you do is you can
Check those in.
Well, it doesn't hurt to put a new one in, but I've seen these reams where, you know, you get like one error and then you change that thing and then 2 days later you get a different error. Something totally different, and then you change that and it still keeps shutting off.
So this one look in Mexico.
Yeah.
Look in China.
Yeah, what did, oh, there. No, they make a lot of their parts in Mexico. So, you know, it could be a manufacturing defect.
Right. Or design problem.
Yeah, you know, it could be sediment. You don't have a sediment trap on here. So you get sediment in your line. It could be that.
But that's the third kind. As I say, I changed another one about 2 years ago.
Oh, a valve?
No, the whole unit.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, well, you might have a lot of sediment in your gas lines.
How to get rid of it?
You're supposed to put a trap on. So every one of these pipes that come out is supposed to have a T.
T in there.
And that way the sediment hits the back of the T and
Will go
falls
down
into
there.
a drip leg, and then it comes off the top. So that helps.
Help to.
Yeah, it
Some problem.
helps prevent that.
So be after the turn off, right? I mean, maybe I should get one and then to install it later.
Yeah. Yeah, you could get one. It's just piping. Is all it is. You're just creating
A space for them to drop down there.
Yeah, you're creating a wall for the sediment to hit, and the gas will keep going up. But it's hard for the sediment. Sediment hits the back wall and falls down.
Oh, okay. So it just like hit there and settle down there.
Right, and then it falls into the trap. It's called like a trap leg or.
So you can get those at Home Depot, low.
Yeah, it's just piping.
Oh,
So
just
you need a 1/2 inch or a 3/4. You need a 1/2 inch T
Okay.
and a 6-inch nipple with a cap,
Okay.
and then
put it on the
and then
low.
and then you put the shut off on the top. So you
Okay.
need like a piece of pipe in between. A little, they call them nipples. It's threaded on both sides, and you screw that into, and then you screw the shut off into that.
Okay.
And then the flex line comes off of that.
Okay.
And that's your trap. You could just probably, you know, Google it or something if you want to see what it looks like. I see them, you know, and I don't see them, and you know, or they're there and they're not there. And, I don't know. Do I have one? I think I have one at my house. It can't hurt. It certainly can't hurt.
If you have it, don't have to hurt. If you don't have it, you might have problem.
Yeah, you're just kind of trying to eliminate that as a potential issue. Really connected. Let me put a little pipe dope on this instead. I have some of my truck. Is it traffic? Yeah. Yeah, it's like adjustable.
Right,
you know,
right,
so
right. It's
it's
good
a
that
bunch
you
of-
don't have to.
Yeah, it helps when I'm struggling trying to find the right size.
Right. Are those from Germany or where is from?
Craftsman makes it.
Oh, Craftsman make it.
So yeah, I was banging on it with a hammer and I split the.
That's it.
But I thought I lost it the other day. I was all bummed out. But I ended up finding it, so I was pretty happy. But they sell them at Home Depot.
Oh.
Yeah, I think they're like $20 or something.
$20? Oh, that's
Yeah,
not bad.
No, $20.
Two is not much.
Yeah. I started turning the gas on slowly now.
Oh.
Instead of just throwing it open, you know?
Why? What is the reason?
In case there's sediment in there.
Oh, then you will not throw it out.
Well, yeah, it's less likely to just bomb it all at once if there's higher pressure.
Right.
So I kind of ease the pressure on.
But those are less than 2 pounds anyway, right? I mean.
Yeah, it's like 4.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know. It's real low, but still. I used to turn them on and you'd hear it.
Oh.
You could hear it go. And so I'm like, wow, I feel like that's too much gas at once. So I started, you know, why not? Why not, right?
Yep.
I mean, it's not going to hurt it.
Why make it complicated?
Just purge it. I blew through the line, so there's a lot of air in there.
Oh, so that way will be the gas will be go there.
Yeah, it's going and going and going. It usually,
low pressure.
yeah, it'll light a lot faster like that. Let's see. Yeah, there we go. So there you go. It came up blue.
Okay, that means it's good, right?
That means it's good when it comes up blue. And it's not kicking over, but that's okay because it's probably already at temperature.
Oh.
I used to freak out when that happened.
Yeah.
I'd be like, oh, it's a bad valve, and then I realized, oh wait, the water in the water heater is already hot.
Yeah.
So if we turn it all the way up to the highest setting, well, it's still not kicking over, but ask them to run their water.
Okay.
Ask them to just run their hot water for a little while.
Okay.
And let's force it to turn on.
Okay.
So we just want to make sure the valve is working by forcing it. Well, it's still not on. It's not kicking over. Let me... Oh, there we go.
It's on now?
Yeah, I turned it to the highest setting
Right,
to force it to turn on.
Right.
So I don't know if you want to look inside.
right. No, I mean,
Oh, okay. Yeah, you can look in there if you'd like.
yeah, I can look at it.
You look kind of up to like 11 o'clock. Like if that's a clock. See it? You see the flame?
The blue one, yeah.
Yeah. So
Okay,
that's
then.
it.
Okay.
It's in. We'll turn this back down.
Right.
I don't
How
remember
much
where
are
it was
you?
at.
Okay.
It's 120.
Can you give me a receipt?
Sure.
Yeah, so I can write it up.
Yeah, absolutely. Right, thanks for watching. Appreciate it. Basically replaced the valve in that Rheem water heater with a brand new valve supplied by the owner in the box from Rheem. Seemed to take care of it. We asked the owners to turn their hot water on so that we could get it to kick over to verify that it was working, and it was. And that's pretty much it. So appreciate you watching the video. Consider subscribing and have a great day. Okay, so doing a water heater installation. This is the one I did the service call on. Came back with another code 7, so owner doesn't want to screw around, wants to put a new one in. So I'm just draining it. Got the straps disconnected. I'm going to replace the gas line over here with a strap.